Basically, when you get to my age, you will really measure your success in life by how many of the people you want to have love you actually do love you. I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute. You only have to do a very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. Wall Street is the only place that people ride to in a Rolls-Royce to get advice from those who take the subway. When trillions of dollars are managed by Wall Streeters charging high fees, it will usually be the managers who reap outsized profits, not the clients. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. If you are in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. You've got to keep control of your time, and you can't unless you say no. You can't let people set your agenda in life. In the world of business, the people who are most successful are those who are doing what they love. It is not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. You know. You keep doing the same things and you keep getting the same result over and over again. Tell me who your heroes are and I'll tell you who you'll turn out to be. The best thing I did was to choose the right heroes.